Hi folks, I'm here again to answer a question. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, I wanted to apologize for the audio quality on my previous video. I know it was terrible, so I'll try to improve on that. Now, I'm here to answer a question that was sent to me by Natalie. She wanted to know how to make this graph here on Excel. Now, that's a graph that you find on Goodreads, and here you have the dates the books you read are published in, and here you have the years you've read those books. So she wanted to make this graph on her Excel worksheet. So let me show you how to do it. First of all, you go to the worksheet where you have your graphs. Here is mine. And you click on an empty cell. Then from the Excel menu on the top here, you select Insert, and then you navigate to the charts and you select the scatter chart, this one here. And then you have a blank chart because you don't have any data yet. Then you right click on the blank chart and you click on select data. Then you click on the add here, and then you select your data. Click into the field for X values. Then go to your book survey where you have your data and select the column for the date you finished reading the book. In my case, this column here. Then you click on the field, on the next field, and you go to your book survey again and select the column for the book's publishing year, the year the book was published. In my case, this column here. Then you click OK, and you have a graph here. But it's not ideal because Excel doesn't know that you want your x-axis to be only the year you read the book. So you will right click on the horizontal axis and you select the option Format Axis, and then you will click on the option here on the right, number. So you tell Excel that you want a specific type of number, and you can select date, but you will format here. You only want the year, you don't want the complete date, month, day, month and year. You only want year. So you just format A, and add, and there you have it, your chart. So on the horizontal line you have the years you've been reading, and on the vertical line you have the publication date for the book. Now it should be pretty similar to the chart on Goodreads. So yeah, there you have it, and then you can just format the title. I'll just say timeline. So yeah, I hope it was easy to understand. Thank you for your question, Natalie, and if you have any more questions, please let me know. See you soon. Bye bye.